Welcome back, folks. Check it out. It's a two-owner, over 20 dealer service records, 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This is a Hemi-powered 5.7 liter V8, upgraded trailer tow pack, premium sound, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, second row heated seats, panoramic roof, dialed in, ladies and gentlemen. Guaranteed credit approval in full effect. Factory navigation, backup cam, power adjustable, steering wheel, fully serviced, safety inspected, road tested. $11.95 starting down payment on the 4x4 Hemi powered Grand Cherokee Overland. Two to choose, DasCleveland.com.